detached LCD, and deep cleaning on Asus G512LI gaming laptop. Thank you to Sir Vincent for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing a laptop with a detached LCD to a professional repair shop is a very good choice to ensure proper repair, safety, and long-term functionality. A detached LCD is a serious issue that can affect not only the screen's usability, but also the internal components, such as the connectors, hinges, and cables. Attempting to fix it yourself without the necessary skills or tools can lead to further damage, such as severing fragile cables, misaligning the screen, or even causing permanent harm to the laptop's motherboard. Professional technicians have the expertise to assess the full extent of the damage, including inspecting the hinges, frame, and internal connections to determine the best repair solution. They use specialized tools and high-quality parts to reattach or replace the LCD securely, ensuring that the screen is properly aligned and functions as intended. Adding a deep cleaning to the repair process enhances the benefits significantly. Dust and debris inside the laptop can clog fans, vents, and other components, causing overheating, reduced performance, and potential hardware failures. A thorough cleaning by professionals ensures that all internal components are free of dust, improving airflow, cooling efficiency, and overall system stability. By combining these two services, you not only restore the laptop's structural and visual integrity, but also enhance its performance and lifespan. This comprehensive approach ensures the device runs smoothly and reliably, making it a smart and valuable investment in maintaining your laptop's health and usability. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Detached LCD and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. And have your detached LCD and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.